Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you're having an amazing day. I'm Cheryl Falaire, and I am so excited to be kicking off this class about the basics of essential oils. You may be here, you may already be a member of our team, or you may be scoping out essential oils brand new for the first time. Either way, you are so welcome here. You are in good company, and you're about to learn a lot about essential oils. I am going to run through with you a little bit about my journey and demo for you, open up a premium starter kit for the first time. Now, these premium starter kit oils are the oils we're going to be covering this entire class. And this kit that I'm about to show you is $165. And it is my job this week to show you why every penny of that money is so worth it. Why most of our members choose this kit to get started, because it really can change our life. So a little bit about myself. I'm a wife. I have 3 kids. I'm a mom. And my story started out when my firstborn, who's about to turn 7, was just 6 months old. And I was so worried for him that everything in our bathroom cabinet had side effects. It might help him feel a little better, but it wasn't going to help the underlying whatever he was dealing with, and it had potentially ways that could hurt him. So I was asking the Lord for a better way, something that would help him without hurting him, something that would help his body do what it needed to do to be healthy. And God sent me essential oils, the Young Living Essential Oils, the starter kit. And I want to jump in and just show you what we're looking at when we're looking at a Young Living starter kit. So this is the gorgeous box that it comes in. And inside, open it and bring it up, you will find a bundle of information here and 12 essential oils. There are these 10 that come right out front. We have peppermint, lemon, digestive, thieves, frankincense, lavender, panaway, raven, valor, and citrus fresh. Under that tray, we have 2 pouches of Ningxia Red. We have 2 more oils, Peace and Calming and Stress Away, and a bottle of Thieves hand sanitizer, which, going into the school year, moms, or no matter who you are, you need that in your purse. I take it in my purse everywhere. There's also a little roll on top for one of your bottles of oil. You get to be the one who chooses which bottle it goes on, turning that into a handy roll-on anytime. And that is your premium starter kit. So it also comes with a diffuser, this beautiful Desert Mist diffuser that will run up to 6 to 8 hours. It has an intermittent mode. It has a full stream mode that lasts 3 or 4 hours. And it's our chosen diffuser for all the rooms in our home. It does a beautiful job. So more on these to come. More about each oil. I'm going to be introducing you to each of them in the days to come. I'm going to be demoing that diffuser so you know how to use it the moment it arrives on your doorstep. I'm going to be talking about some of these items like the Ningxia Red. Maybe you've never heard of Ningxia Red before. By the time this week is done, you're going to have a head full of ideas for how to use the premium starter kit. So thank you for being here. Be sure to comment that you've watched, whether you want to use hashtag watched or hashtag replay, or some questions or comments below. Let me know that you're watching them, because that's going to count into the giveaway. And most of all, thanks for being here. Thanks for letting us be part of your week. Your time is valuable. So I'm keeping each of these videos concise and focused, so that you get the information you need in as little time as possible, and it's going to be a great week. Thanks for joining us. Talk to you soon.